chances are you have a shower head that looks something like this. In fact, this is what came with my house. And then I saw incentives from my local municipality to upgrade to something like this. Hello, I'm Wanderer001, and this will be my review of the Niagara Sava Spa Showerhead. And like I said, chances are you probably had something like this show up in your local water provider with an incentive where it's, hey, buy this and you can get it for $5 shipped or $1 depending on where you're located. And this is a reduced gallons per minute shower head. The one that I showed you originally was a 2.5 gallons per minute water flow shower head. This one is a 1.5. So that is a 1 full gallon reduction of water usage for me. The shower head itself, well, come up here and take a look at it, is made up of ABS thermoplastic. So it's pretty much plastic that's made to look like it's got a chrome finish on it. So I had one like this before. That will wear off in time. You can see it is 4.4 inches wide. So it's a nice size shower head without being overly large. And you've got lots of little rubberized holes for the water to come out of. And that is what makes it more eco-friendly because that will reduce the water flow. Now, the one thing to consider is you are probably getting this because you want to either save water or save money, or both. You could be that kind of person. I generally side more with saving money. Just to give you an idea of the packaging that this particular eco-friendly shower head came in, for me, I was trying to save money by saving water. This shower head has me kind of mixed in that, yes, it clearly uses less water than my previous shower head. The problem is that it does that by having a less powerful spray. So for me, I checked my water logs and found that even after months of using this, my actual water usage has not gone down. And that's primarily because the forcefulness of the shower head is not great. It actually takes longer to rinse. So for me, this actually kind of negated its own point by making me take longer showers, even though, I will turn off the shower while soaping up because that's just something I got in the habit of doing when I was staying with a friend. It is not powerful enough, and I will show you what I mean now. So minus the horrible tiles that I need to replace, this is your water flow out of it. It does disperse quite nicely, but it is not super powerful. I'll stick my hand over there, give you an idea. It's not that great. So if you're considering something like this that you saw from your municipality, or you saw this in a store and went, wow, that's really cheap, I'd love to save water, consider what I said. It's low pressure, it's gonna take you longer. Yes, you'll save, air quotes, water, but in the long run, you'll use more water, or about the same as one that had a gallon per minute more. Not terribly technical, not super techy, but just figured I would throw that out there because this is one of the things that I was really anxious to get when I got a new house, when I could actually replace the shower head on my own, and I was a little disappointed. So I will be looking for alternatives in the future. If you know of any, please feel free to leave some in the comment section below. I'd greatly appreciate that. My wife would too, because she hates this. It's just not enough pressure for her, but I'm reluctant to go back to the other one because I paid for this and put it up. With that being said, I have been Wanderer001. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the area below. And as always, thanks for watching.
If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like, as that will help other people find the video as well. If you like what I'm doing here, you can always help fuel the next review by buying me a coffee, link in the description below. Last but not least, if you want to be notified when I upload a new video, you know what to do.